Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 40R and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find home screen and lock screen. Now let's tap on wallpapers at the top, and here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from, so the static wallpapers and live wallpapers where we've got pre-installed options. In live wallpapers we've got animated ones, my photos, which is basically your own gallery, and recently used, where you can find the wallpapers which you had previously applied. So in order to set the wallpaper, simply tap on the specific album, choose the wallpaper just by tapping on it, and if you like it, just tap on apply. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied to the home screen and the lock screen in this case of the live wallpaper. So you do not have to choose whether you want to set it here or on both. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.